I'm so excited to welcome Kaitlyn Kellermeyer to Story Church. She's going to be sharing a song that she wrote actually about 6 months ago or so, and she sent it to me, and the lyrics were so good, and I knew we had to use it for something, and I thought this was the perfect opportunity. It's called The Mess, and she's talking about the courage it takes to show up as yourself, just to show up as your messy, authentic self. So I am so confident you're going to enjoy this song.
Hi, I'm Kaitlyn, and I'm really excited to be sharing this song today. A little bit about why I wrote the song. One of the first lyrics is, rose petals are not symmetrical and neither is my face. And the genesis of the song was literally a moment of insecurity for me where I was like, oh, my face is not symmetrical, right? And then I just kind of started to think about well, hang on, neither are rose petals. And I started to think about all of the things in my life that feel like weakness, but that mirror things in the natural world. And I started to think about, what does that tell me about God and his love and his design? And I came to the conclusion, that having the courage to be messy and authentic is where our beauty lies. And I wanted to capture that in a song for others, but really also for me, so I can remember that when I'm feeling, not so great about myself. So that's kind of a little bit about the song, and I hope that you enjoy it. Symmetrical and neither is my face. And good weather is not infallible and neither is my faith. The earth trembles, it isn't always steady, neither is my strength. And all candles flicker in the window, but light remains the same. And I stumble, I'm inconsistent, and I don't understand myself. You say humble, but I reach for perfect as if that's somehow going to help. And I'm earnest, I want to know you, but I feel like I don't know how. So I hold back, afraid to shine your light on the mess that I am right now. But I am the child you saved, I have the life you gave. When I ring up the bill, mine is the debt you pay. When I feel insecure, unworthy and unsure, you say don't be afraid, 'cause I am the mess you made. I am the mess you made. My failures, my miscommunications, all of the love I've lost are all teachers. They're all reminders that my courage is worth the cost. 'Cause imperfect is not my greatest weakness, it's the greatest gift I can use. When I reach out to other broken people, when I love like you want me to. 'Cause I am the child you saved, I have the life you gave. When I ring up the bill, mine is the debt you pay. When I feel insecure, unworthy and unsure, you say don't be afraid, 'cause I am the mess you made. I am the mess you made. And why would I look perfect perfect when the roses don't? Why would I be steadfast when the earth is shaking? What if messy is not the word that you would use? What if you see the miracle you're making? I am the child you saved, I have the life you gave. When I ring up the bill, mine is the debt you